What's up, y'all? So in today's video, I'm going to be going over how to run a pre-order method. So if you guys do not know who I am, my name is JoJo. I own the brand called Joe and Gas. I'm 16 years old, about to be 17 next month. Originally from Reading, PA. If you guys learned a lot from this video, you guys can go follow me on IG right here. Also have a Discord with a bunch of sauce. You guys can scale your brand up to a high scaling brand. All you guys have to do is just get all the information from my Discord and just install it into your brand and get the knowledge from it. I post knowledge in there every single day. We have a lot of people growing their brands with these methods. So if you just put in all the work with all the YouTube videos and my Discord and my Instagram, you guys are gonna be able to really succeed. Running a clothing brand isn't easy, but it is something you can get done. All right, so let's get into the video. So your first step on what you're gonna wanna do is you guys are gonna wanna get a sample made. This can easily be done inside of your house or with a manufacturer. If you guys are looking for a manufacturer, just DM me on Instagram. I could definitely help you out with that. My personal manufacturer is in my Discord. He does fast turnaround times and cheap samples and cheap bulk orders. Probably the best manufacturers I've ever worked with. So if you guys are interested into that, just DM me on Instagram. It's all on my Discord. So your second step, once you get your sample made and you have it into your hands, all you guys are gonna wanna do is you're guys gonna wanna promote it on Instagram and TikTok. What a lot of people don't tell you is Reddit and Twitter are actually really good to promote. So if I was you guys, I would definitely go ahead and do it on all 4 platforms. If you're gonna wanna keep your website close, you can collect emails and SMS. SMS is really good, and I suggest you guys collect SMS subscribers through Instagram, through your website, through TikTok, through everything. So if you guys can go do that, you guys are gonna scale your brand really high. So pretty much what SMS is you collect potential customers and customers. You can send them messages saying, hey, I'm dropping this. Hey, I'm restocking my clothes. There's 50% off for 24 hours. Oh, hey, there's free shipping for 24 hours. So you could do everything like that. You wanna promote your sample on Instagram and TikTok for 2 to 3 weeks. That could be either giveaways, raffles, raffles is something really big and I suggest you guys do. Also by influencer marketing and posting on Instagram and TikTok daily. Now for your giveaway, I suggest you boost it on Instagram. You guys are gonna wanna have your website with a password and with the email and SMS on there. So when people go to your website, you should install a pop-up which offers them 10% if they sign up. You're gonna wanna collect a bunch of those people until your drop day. So what this is gonna do is when you're ready to drop, you're gonna already have access to all those people. And you're gonna wanna send them a message saying, here's early access and 10% off. So giving them 10% off is gonna increase their chances of buying. So that's another reason on why SMS is very, very good. So this is the last step, which is really, really easy. So with all the money you get from the orders, you guys are gonna wanna go and buy a bulk order from your manufacturer. And you're gonna wanna do this as soon as possible. That is exactly how you run a pre-order method. It's very easy and budget friendly. If you guys need help with your brand, just DM me on Instagram right here. Follow my brand account. And if you guys want more game like this, my Discord is in the bio. It offers a whole script for your pre-order method, my manufacturer, size charts and mockups, ad settings and SMS marketing, content ideas and trending TikTok sounds, and a lot of tips for your brand. The tips that I give are very useful. So that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And see y'all in the next video.
Bad, look good. I was an agent, so I lit. Got a few questions, I see phone whip. Chrome heart sleeve and MG whip. Hold up the photo, looking like a look. All that is cause your whole team lit. Bro, time man.